Crypto trading can feel like learning a new language. You're staring at charts thinking, what does any of this mean? The good news? By 2025, the tools have gotten insanely beginner-friendly. The bad news? It's still easy to lose money fast. Let's start with the basics. Crypto trading is just buying and selling cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins to profit from their changing prices. But here's the kicker. Crypto markets never sleep. That's right, volatility is high and naps are myths here. Pain point? Many beginners jump into trading thinking it's a quick gold rush. Spoiler, it's not. If you expect to double your money overnight, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. You need a plan and some patience. The first step, pick the right exchange. Places like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken are the go-tos for 2025 beginners. Pro tip, check for fees. Some platforms eat up 2 to 3% of your profits on each trade. Multiply that across 20 trades, and yikes. Before you even place a trade, familiarize yourself with demo accounts. These are like practice modes where you trade with fake money, $0 at risk, and infinite learning. Spend at least a month here before risking real cash. Seriously. Now let's talk strategy. Most beginners jump on day trading because it looks fun. Spoiler, it's a brutal grind. Instead, consider dollar cost averaging, buying small amounts of a coin over time. It's boring but useful for reducing risk. Charts are your new best friend, but keep them simple. Start with one indicator, like the RSI, Relative Strength Index. It helps you decide if a coin is overbought or oversold. See a coin's RSI hitting 80? Might be a good time to step back. Another rookie mistake, falling for hype. If someone on Twitter is screaming, "This coin will 10x," run the other way. By 2025, influencers are still selling dreams. Always do your own research. Your wallet will thank you. Don't forget to set stop-loss orders. These are like the seat belts of trading. You define a price where your trade automatically exits to limit losses. Example, bought at $100, set a stop-loss at 90. It's not glamorous, but it's survival. Taxes? Oh yes, you'll owe taxes on profits. Trading mistakes are painful, but forgetting tax obligations, that's a nightmare. Tools like Zenledger or Coinly can automatically calculate everything for 2025. Trust me, a $50 spent now beats an IRS headache later. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Sounds cliche, but it's a rule traders ignore all the time. You're not investing rent money, you're gambling with your future, and that never ends well. Stay responsible. Final note, mindset is everything. Some days you'll feel like a genius, other days a complete fool. Crypto trading is as much psychology as strategy. Learn to stay calm, think rationally, and focus on the long game. That's where the real wins lie.